What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Just want to talk to you for a second. I have been preparing for a move I got to make here soon, probably within the next month or so. I got to make a move to a new city, and I'm still kind of in limbo a little bit on what direction I'm going in. Um, but I have like three different cities in my mind right now, and I've been networking all three of them as far as calling, getting prices, seeing what's going on in the area, cost of living, all of those things. And I got to make a move. Actually, to be honest with you, the move is for my son and my daughter, especially my son. I need to get closer to him so I can be able to help him more. My daughter, I get her on call, but my son, I'm trying to work out some kinks with him, and I think just as a father, I need to get closer to him so I can be able to help him and assist him more. So I'm trying to make some moves pretty much just around him, and then I can build from there. I'm just trying to make it somewhere where I can actually benefit and win from, a good location. So I have been, a little bit in limbo lately, man, just trying to figure out what to do. Anytime you move in and got to change completely everything, you got to do your homework. So I've been figuring out how to start the business there, how to network independently, freelance, the full nine. So I'm trying to open up a different door for myself. But one thing I want to say real quick that when it is time for you to make your move, you got to do your homework. You have to do your research of the area. All you can do, because you can do a lot of research online and call it in, asking to talk to people, seeing what's going on, seeing the vibe of the city or whatnot. That's a lot you can learn. So that's what I've been doing lately, trying to figure out this move, man. Can't lie to you though, it's been a little burden on me, man, because I got to uproot and get somewhere else and redo all this again. So I just been trying to make the best out of it. You know what I mean? Today, today has been a little warm. It's starting to warm up a little bit. It feels good outside though. It was cool, and then it's starting to warm up out here. But like I said, needless to say, man, I just wanted to check in with you, just let you know what's been on my mind. I got to make a move, man, and like I say, I'm in limbo right now. I won't say exactly where I'm going as of yet because I still don't know yet. You know what I mean? Like I'm still like I don't know. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to make some preparations. So I'm gonna be keeping y'all posted on what's going on. All I say, man, just keep me in your prayers. Hold on.